to build on my nail emery board. I'm going to now try to build towards my dog actually putting their paws on the board. Now, the dog may not be comfortable right away to put their feet on the board, so we've got some troubleshooting ideas that we're going to try for that if the dog is not comfortable. However, if they are confident and interested, then we can continue to reward them for approaching the board, and we can start to delay the reward and see if they actually touch the board in order to receive their reward. Find it. Put my board down. Find it. And reward him for approaching at first. Find it. Find it. So now as soon as he touches the board, find it. I'm going to say find it and toss my treat. Find it the other way. Find it. 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 Good. Wait. Now, if the dog is not comfortable starting to put their feet on the board, then one thing we can try is we can take a towel and cover it over the board. So if the towel is covered flat over the board, this makes a softer surface. This can often help dogs feel comfortable at first, that they might be more willing to put their paws on the softer towel as opposed to the hard board. And then once I've got my towel in position, my training procedure would be the same. Find it. So I would reward my dog, find it, for approaching the board, find it, and then starting to put their feet on. They might go a little slower, maybe they might creep up to the board, and that's okay. We can build towards them putting their feet on. And then once they're comfortable putting their feet on, we can start to fold the towel back, see if they'll step on when the board is visible. Find it. They might choose to step on the towel part still at first. Find it. But at least they're stepping on when part of the board is visible. Find it. Find it. And then we might get something like that where they got one paw on the board part, one paw on the towel part. Find it. Find it. And then we can build to the dog being comfortable stepping on the board with the towel removed. Another option to try, if the dog is really hesitant about the board, is I can toss my treats back and forth from side to side, cueing my dog to find it. And lots of times they'll avoid the board at first, but then they will potentially start to touch the board as they run in the direction chasing the treats. So if my board is in front of me, find it. Find it. As soon as my dog found the treat, find it on one side, then I say find it again, toss the treat the other way, find it. And you may see the dog run out a wide berth and avoid the board, but then as they start to feel comfortable, then they might start to run over top of the board. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. So then once we get some running over top of the board, then we can go back to rewarding the dog for just approaching the board and seeing if they will voluntarily put their feet on rather than just running over. So if our dogs are hesitant, a couple of ideas there to try to help them be comfortable.